The Tree of Life is from Kabbalah, an ancient Jewish mystery tradition. It contains 10 sephirah, each describing different aspects of creation that in the end make our world, the physical world, possible. It starts with Keter. Before the physical universe existed, there wasn't much of anything. I mean, no stars, no galaxies, no cats, no coffee, no Christmas trees, nothing. Except this pure, radiant, condensed, and endless light. This is Keter. It is the first Sephiroth on the Tree of Life, the start of everything that is to come, the original source of divinity. It's Keter's energy that flows down all the way down the Tree of Life and make our world possible. But before the Tree of Life existed, Keter was on his own, or would have been if that concept had existed. It didn't. There hadn't been two of anything, so any form of separation wasn't possible. And who knows how long it went on for, this endless light. Time wasn't even in existence, so it couldn't be measured anyway. But eventually, something did happen. This pure light stretched out from infinity to explore its surroundings. The first line was created, and at the end of it, the second Sephiroth, Chokmah, came into existence. Now Chokmah both is Keter and is not. It's like having a child. It is part of you by genetics, and yet the child is its own being. It's something new. So all of a sudden there is now two, and Keter is able to see his own reflection in Chokmah, and an awareness comes from this, a spark of wisdom about its own existence, and an idea comes into being. But it is just the seed of an idea, because there is only so much you can do with your own reflection. The idea yet has no shape or form. It has no place to grow. So Keter stretches further, and in so doing creates a second line, and at the end of it, Bina, the third Sephiroth. Bina understands the idea of Chokmah. She is able to receive it and transforms it into the idea of the Tree of Life. And that is the story on the Supernal Triangle.